Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open BMW X4 Hood only ways. Locate the interior release lever under the driver's side dash and pull it firmly to free the primary latch. Walk to the front of the vehicle, place your fingers under the hood edge, feel for the secondary safety latch, push or lift it as needed, and raise the hood smoothly until it stays open on its own. Start with safety first and park on level ground, then engage the parking brake and remove the key from the ignition. Pull the interior lever with a firm, decisive motion and step to the front of the car right away. Feel for the secondary latch under the hood center, release it with a thumb or finger, and lift the hood until the struts or prop rod hold it securely for your work. If the release feels stiff, the cable or latch may be corroded or frozen and need lubrication or attention. Sometimes the cable gains slack, and you must pull the interior lever more deliberately while a helper tries the hood. If the secondary latch is blocked, clear debris and test the mechanism manually through the grill or with a long tool. Seek a professional if cables are frayed or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.